Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a call on Google Chat. So the first thing you have to do, you need to open the Google Chat application. If you cannot find any Google Chat application on your home screen, just slide your screen into the app library and just type chat, and the Google Chat will be symbolized with this, and then just need to go click it to open it. And after you open it, you just need to decide whom you want to call. Let's say I will here. So if you are worrying the way how to call or making a call because there is no call symbols on the Google Chat, you need to take a look on this upper right corner here. There is two symbols, like one is this for the call and the other one is a magnifier. To create a call, just need to go click this button and there will be two options pop up, which is the chat audio and chat video. If you want to really have a video call, go click this chat video, but if you want to have only voice call, go click this chat audio, and you're done. So that's the way how to do a call or how to make a call in a Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.